friends, I'm Chef Wainaina. Today I'm sharing with you guys this simple and easy to make chips masala recipe that you can do for a quick fix dinner any day of the week. So first things first, start your frying oil. So once the oil is going, peel and cut these potatoes. Potatoes are done peeling. So you can definitely remove just a little part of this just to flatten it so that you are safe. Cut them into your desired size. I don't need to remove anything else. I'm cooking at home. I don't have to make perfect fries, but if you want to be fancy, you can do that. So I'm roughly looking for that size potato. They look big, but that is good. That's what I'm looking for. Go ahead and cut this and then finish the rest of the potatoes. So this I need to run through very cold water a couple times until I remove all the excess starch that's on these fries. Once the potatoes are rained through cold water on a sheet pan lined with a clean kitchen towel, just pat them dry. So before I start frying, I need a spider, I need a strainer, and then it's important to have a kitchen thermometer, especially when you are frying. I'm looking to fry at 350 to start with for the first fry. So carefully now drop your dry fries into the oil. Always be careful. All we are trying to do here is just blanching or just to pre-cook them. After a couple minutes, you want to come in, just make sure that you separate them so that they don't stick together. This will take about 5 minutes or so until the potatoes are just barely cooked through. Just pull them up slightly, just with a knife, poke them. So these fries are ready to come out. Just be careful not to break them. Fry the rest of the batch the same way. The last batch is all done here. Time to remove it to the sheet pan. So in the meanwhile, as the oil comes to temp, I'm going to reheat this masala fries sauce. I always make a big batch of this and save it. I will share the recipe right on top on how I do this. So the oil here is definitely coming back to temp. So carefully drop these fries back into the oil and fry them until they are golden brown and crispy. Help them to spread and fry. I can see here I have the beautiful golden brown color that I'm looking for and crispy too. Now remove them to this bowl lined with a parchment paper. Turn off the oil. Always be careful, especially if you are cooking with kids. Immediately season your fries. This is a good time that the salt will stick to them. So immediately, and the fries still hot, spoon in your masala sauce. Toss in a good amount of cilantro and scallions. Toast them till steaming hot here. And then right away you want to plate this. More cilantro. So friends, there you have it, our quick and easy dinner fix that you can do any day of the week. Just remember, you can batch up the fries, put them in the freezer, the same thing with the sauce, and then whenever you need to do this recipe, you have it ready to go. Thank you so much for watching this one. I can't wait to see you in the next one. See you soon.